Okay, let's go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can open unlimited YouTube channel account with one email. Okay, alright, you can agree with me that before you can monetize your YouTube channel you have to get 1,000 subscribers, okay, and 4,000 watch hour. Okay, so I want to show you how you can get unlimited YouTube account, okay, with one Gmail. Okay, all right, so it's very simple with one click. All right, so after watching this video you are going to learn how you can create unlimited YouTube account with one Gmail. Okay, you can be able to create 1,000 YouTube account to subscribe yourself. All right, so that you can get to 1,000 subscribers. All right, then in my next video I'm going to show you how you can get more views. If you check my videos you see that my previous old videos, okay, was getting low views until I discovered that tricks. You can see my recent videos, started getting views. So in my next video I'm going to show you how you can get more views, more views, more watch hour, so that you can be able to achieve 1,000 watch hour within a short period of time. All right, so let's dive into the video. Okay, so before we go on, please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, do well and subscribe to my channel. Okay, before you start, all right, if you have this YouTube Studio app, this app here, if you have it, please make sure you freeze it before you start. Okay, freeze it. If you don't have the freezing app, you can go to Play Store or Apple Store and download a freezing app. We use it to freeze it. Okay, so let me freeze the app. This is my freezer app. I'll select it and click on OK. Okay, now I have freezed the app. Okay, so now you head over to Google Chrome or any Chrome browser you are using. Okay, and type in youtube.com. Okay, now, okay, when it's done loading, you click on your profile piece by the upper right side corner. Okay, this profile piece here, click on it. Okay, then click on YouTube Studio. Okay, when you click on YouTube Studio, so this is the reason why you should freeze your YouTube Studio app, because if you didn't freeze your YouTube Studio app, once you click on that YouTube Studio, it will redirect you to the app. Okay, so but if you freeze it and you click on YouTube Studio here, it will redirect you to this browser. All right, so when it redirects you to YouTube Studio, you scroll down and click on this settings. When you click on settings, you click on channel. You click on advanced settings. Then scroll down and click on manage YouTube accounts. Okay, when you click on manage YouTube account, you click on add or manage your channel. Okay, when you click on add or manage your channel, you click on create a channel. Then you click on add name. Okay, then type in the name you want to use. Let's say Somik. Then you check this box. You click on create. That is all, guys. Okay, so why this verify your account pops up was because, you know, I've created too many channels. So when you create more than, think, 5 channels, this will pop up for you to verify your account. I don't know what they need it for, all right, but you got to do that. So you leave it on text message. You type in your country, leave it on text message, then click on continue. Please enter a phone number, then you type in a phone number. Let me type in this number. Okay, so this after verification. So I've inserted the code they sent to me. Oh, we've created a YouTube channel. We've created another YouTube channel. Okay, so I don't know what they're gonna use that phone number I put there for. All right, so now you can now go on and start creating multiple unlimited YouTube channel. All right, so let's go back. Then you go to home, go to your tab. Okay, you go back again, go back again, go back again. Then you type in another name. Okay, this is how you continue doing it. Let's say, which name again are we gonna use? Let's say you can just type in whatever thing you wanna type. Let's say ABC, ABS. All right, click on create. That's all, guys. We've created another one. So this is how you continue doing it. This is how you continue. Just very easy. You can see within some minutes we've been able to create 2 channels within some minutes. So you can give yourself, you can give yourself. Okay, that's it. ABS has been what created. So I've been successfully created. So you can give yourself. Then you go back again. Okay, go back to home. Okay, select your tab. Okay, you see it, you erase the former one. AB, great. So that's it, guys. So you can give yourself. So that's it, guys. We've successfully created another. Don't mind if this thing comes up, the channel does not exist. Don't mind, never mind, the channel has been created. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's how you continue creating. Okay, so you can give yourself target of maybe 50 channel in a day. Okay, 50 channel daily. So you can give yourself a target of 50 channels daily. Okay, 50 channels daily in a month is 50 times 30 days. That should be around 1005. Okay, you can be able to create 1005 channels in a month. So now, after creating it, you now use them to subscribe to your channels. Okay, you can use it to subscribe to your YouTube channel so that you can get the 1000 subscribers. All right, then I've told us in my next video I'm going to show you how you can get views so as to reach the threshold of 4000 watch hour, so you can be able to monetize your channels. Okay, so but guys, this is a trick, but you have to, put out good content so that you can be able to be getting more views after your monetization. All right, so that's it, guys. So now let's see how you can use those accounts we've created to, subscribe to your channel. So you go back to YouTube, we open your YouTube app. When you open your YouTube app, you click on your profile piece. You click on switch account. Okay, you see those accounts we've created, you see them here. You see them with one Gmail account, with one email account. All of them are under email account. This one is another channel that is under another email account. But you see this one email account, you see the channels you've created so far. So this is the, let's use this AB. You switch to AB. Okay, so AB is now logged into. You now search for the channel you want to subscribe to. Okay, you click on the search bar. Let's say I want to subscribe to Summit Tech Digitals. You search. Okay, so this me here, guys. Don't ask me why my channel is not yet up to 1,000 subscribers. Okay, guys, so I just discovered this hack. Okay, this is, and I decided to share it with you people, with you my fans. You people know that you are my fans. I put you first before any other thing. So that's why I want to share it with you people before I can now go and do the underground work. You get me? All right, so guys, so this is it. So you now click on subscribe and subscribe to your channel. All right, so you can now go back again. You click on your profile piece again. You click on switch accounts again. You select the previous, let's select this one, Summit, that we created. Okay, you click on search bar. You search for your channel again. It will come up. You see it, you subscribe. So that's it, guys. That's how you continue doing it. So you can give yourself target. So within 2 months, guys, you'll be done with this, right? You'll be done with this. You'll be done with creating accounts, and you'll be done with subscribing to your channel. And by that time, you might have been creating a good content that will give you more views, which I'm going to show you in my next video, how you can get views, okay, to your channel, because you know that multiple views equals to increase in watch time hours, and once you get 4,000 watch time hours, you are good to go, right? So that's it, guys. See you in my next video. Bye. So I can switch back to my original account, switch account. So guys, if you have any questions, drop it on the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up so that other people will get to see it, okay, so that other people will see my channel, and people that needs this content will also get to see. So give this video a thumbs up if you find it valuable. All right, and also subscribe to my channel. I need you guys. Bye.